In this video, I'll show you the best way to make money online using a free AI bot. So first of all, here's some payment proof so you will know that this actually works, and this tutorial is worth your time. If you really want to make this work, I suggest you follow each and every step and don't skip anything. Now this is going to be absolutely free software or bot that will actually do all the work for you. So as I said, you can make money hands-free. Now, before we get back to this software and before I explain you how it actually works, you will need to come over to this goldmine for making money online, which is a brand new website that we never talked about on this channel called CJINC Info, also known as Creative Jobs. I'll just link it below the like button. This is available worldwide, so no matter where you're coming from, no matter which country are you coming from, you can make money with this website. United States, Philippines, India, Singapore, Canada, or Australia, it doesn't matter. Anyone can use this website and make money for absolutely free. As you can see, they will pay you for your time. It's all absolutely free to join, no investment needed. There are lots of different ways you can make money with this website. But there will be one single thing that you will be doing right here, which will actually make you the most money without having to do the hard work yourself. But if you want to make even more money and maximize your results while the software or bot does the work for you, you can also focus on different stuff like market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising and online teaching. In that way you earn even more money, but once again, that's just optional. But even with that one particular category which the software will do for you, you can still make decent amount of money every single day. And then finally, you have testimonials of people from all over the world who have been using this website and making money in the past. As you can see, this girl is from Philippines, this girl is from United States, and this guy is from Australia. So this works all around the globe. And anyone can make money with this website. You can work anywhere and anytime and earn as much as you want without investing any money at all. And as I said, this is a brand new website on this channel. We never talked about it ever since. But it has actually been online for a while. In fact, it has been online since 2014, which means it's really a decent website because people have been using it for years. I mean, if it didn't work, then they would obviously disappear the same year, but they have been online for over 6 years now. Now go over to the official homepage, then hover your cursor here where it says career. And that's going to give you a list of different jobs which you can complete on this website and make money. Now if you click on the career, that's going to show you all these different categories. You have everything from online paid survey jobs, online and offline typing jobs, online teaching jobs, online ad publishing jobs, and so on and so forth. But for this video, we will be focusing on online proofreading jobs, which is going to pay you $5 to $10 per 1,000 words. And what you're actually doing right here is you're just correcting grammatical errors, spelling mistakes and factual inaccuracies. So you just need to complete the task of correcting grammatical errors, but do not worry. You do not have to be an English expert, you do not need to be fluent in English or whatsoever, because the absolutely free software or bot which I'm about to share with you will do all of the hard work for you. So you just copy and paste the article into the software, and the software will do all the work for you. Then you just go back here and collect your earnings. You can do it again and again, and I will explain you exactly how this works. For now just click on the online proofreading jobs so you can read more about it. In that way, you will learn how it works, the job nature, the job rates, and exactly how much they will pay you. As you can see, as a proofreader you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. So one article page pays you up to $10, and I've seen some jobs there are as long as 30 pages per article, which if you do the math, you can earn up to $300 for a single job which you didn't have to do yourself because the software will do all of the work for you. Now here's an example of an article that you should proofread once you applied for a job from this website. So you would receive something like this. You can open up the document and see this text over here. This article is around 3 pages. So I can make up to $30 for completing this job. And now, for other people that have not watched this video, they need to go through the article and correct all of those grammatical errors themselves. But you were lucky for clicking and watching this video. And because of that, I'm going to give you the software or bot that will do all the hard work for you. So you don't have to bother doing it yourself. So what you simply need to do is just copy this entire article and paste it into the software. Now, before we go to that software which is absolutely free tool that will do all the work for you, I need to show you how to actually apply for a job. and where to actually get this article, so you can also get paid 10, 20, 30 or $50 per job that you complete. So what you need to do is go over to this page, CJINC info proofreading job, which I've linked below the like button as well. Then you need to scroll down a little bit and click on apply for jobs right here. And then click on download application form, so you can have this registration form which you will need to complete. You will need to select a job, and your job for now is going to be proofreading, so select proofreading jobs right here. Then enter your name and last name in this box over here, and your email address over here. So you must enter your email address so they can send you future jobs. And then enter your birthday, your gender as well, and also your marital status. You will then need to enter your phone number right here so they can contact you if they have more jobs available for you. And you will enter your country, and as I've said earlier, it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can enter any country you like, and you will still have jobs to complete. Now here's the thing, if you want to maximize your results and you want to get more jobs to complete so you can earn more money on this website, what I recommend you do is select employed and freelancer here where it says current profession status. I highly recommend you select employed and freelancer because that way they will give more jobs for you. If you select unemployed, that may mean you're lazy, you're not doing any work, and they will not send you those jobs to complete. So the best thing you can do is to select employed and freelancer. Then what hours are you available to work? I highly recommend you once again to select both 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So you're kind of available the entire day because you don't have to complete the job yourself. As I said, it takes you less than a minute, less than 60 seconds to complete a job. So you can do that anytime and anywhere you are. That means you don't have to sit around the entire day in front of your computer, you can be anywhere you want to. And if you receive an email from them for the job, you just copy the text, paste it into the software, and the software does the work for you, then you just come back to collect your earnings. Then for this, I recommend you select multiple companies because you want to work with as many companies as possible, so you can make more money. And then just select your preferred payment option. It is up to you however you want to get paid. I personally prefer PayPal, so I would select PayPal, and I would then enter my PayPal email address, so they can pay me directly over there. After that just hit submit and you are done. You have completed the form and now you will start receiving those jobs, which will look something like this. So they send you an article, but the question is how you actually correct the grammatical errors. But before we answer that, let me know in the comment which country are you coming from, so I can make more videos that work around your area. So let's get right into the video. So once again, just go through the entire article, then copy it. So just highlight the entire text, right-click on it and then click copy. After that come over to this website, Slick Write, I'll just link it below the like button as well. This is an absolutely free bot that will do all of the hard work for you. It will correct all those grammatical errors for you in just seconds. As you can see right here, check your grammar in seconds. Slick Write is a powerful, free application that makes it easy to check your writing for grammar errors, potential stylistic mistakes, and other features of interest. The grammar checker is a lightning fast, it's literally instant, you just paste your text, and it does all the work for you, and you just collect your earnings from creative jobs. So just come over to Slick Write and try the demo if you want to, and watch the video to know how it works, or you can just go directly to start writing and immediately start making money. So you just need to paste the article inside of this box right here. If they've sent you the file, you can just upload and place it over here. Or I can just right-click and click paste, and here's the entire article. Here's my entire project on the screen. Now I will just scroll a little bit down and click on continue right here. Now I will just wait for the bot to do all the hard work for me. And as you can see, it has completed all the work. You can see it underlined all of the grammar errors and everything that I can change to correct the spelling and all of the mistakes. So that was the first bot or software that will do the work for you for absolutely free. The second software which you can use is called Grammarly, which I've also linked below the like button. You can even go to Google and search for Grammarly proofreading, and that's going to show you this page right here where you can paste your text inside of this box. And that's also going to underline all the errors. And when you try to correct them, it's going to do it for you. As you can see, instead of wheat, you can click on wait, and it's going to immediately correct that for you. Now you can go to the second word, click on that, and it's going to correct it. So you can just do your clicking right here. And as you can see, all of this will take less than a minute to complete. After you're done, you can just copy this entire article, go back to creative jobs, submit your project, and you can get paid anywhere from like $10 up to $200 or even $300 per job completed. It was as simple as copy-pasting some text. Once again, to summarize, just come over to CJINC info, apply for those jobs, then after you get accepted, you will receive an article that looks something like this. You copy that, and then use some of these free bots or software that I've shared with you inside this video. You paste your article over here, these software correct all of the grammar errors, you then copy the entire corrected article, and go back to this website, then paste it, and you collect your earnings. It's really simple and really easy. And I think anyone can do it because as you can see, it requires no previous experience. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to wait to get sales. It's not affiliate marketing. And it's just one of the easiest ways to make money online that I found recently. So there we go.